Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to save Messenger media automatically. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already updated Messenger to its latest version. In case you have not, do update it right now. Another thing that I would like to tell you guys is make sure that you have enabled end-to-end encrypted chat with your friend. Then only you will be able to save Messenger media automatically. Now let's say here's a chat with my friend and I want to save the media my friend sends to my device automatically. Right here are these three buttons, namely audio call, video call and info. Simply hit on the info button right here and something like this will open up. Do note it's an end-to-end encrypted chat. Simply scroll down and right here under the More Actions tab, you will see something like Save Photos and Videos. Just click on it and then it's gonna give you something like this. Save photos and videos you receive. Simply toggle on this button right here and there you go. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable how to save Messenger media automatically. You need to enable that setting manually with friends that you have enabled end-to-end encrypted chats. Well guys, that's it. That's how you save Messenger media automatically. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.